In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Manus AI efficiently in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned tech enthusiast or a newcomer curious about using AI tools, by the end of this video, you'll be able to seamlessly navigate Manus AI's functionalities to get your tasks done with ease. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Manus website. The URL is conveniently straightforward, manus.im. Once you're on the homepage, the next thing you'll want to do is sign up if you haven't already. Look for the Sign Up button prominently displayed and give it a click. This will guide you to the registration page where you can choose your preferred method to create an account. You can either sign up with your email address or, for a quicker option, continue with Google. Choosing the Google sign-in simplifies the process as it uses your existing Google credentials, saving you the step of remembering yet another password. Once you're signed up and logged in, you're ready to tap into the capabilities of Manus AI. Now that you're logged in, let's start using Manus AI to handle your tasks. Enter your task request in plain, everyday language in the designated field. One of the great features of Manus AI is its ability to understand and process natural language input, which means you don't need to worry about specific commands or programming jargon. Simply describe what you want to achieve, and Manus AI will interpret your request. Once you've entered your request, the autonomous agent will take over, executing your task within a sandbox environment. This setup allows the AI to work independently while ensuring a secure and controlled process. You have the flexibility to monitor the progress in real time or step away and check back later, depending on your schedule. After the AI completes the task, take some time to review the output. One of the standout features of Manus AI is the ability to provide feedback using natural language. If some adjustments are needed, simply express your edits as you would naturally explain them to another person. This iterative feedback loop ensures that the output aligns with your expectations and needs. Finally, once you're satisfied with the result, you have the option to export the final output or directly deploy the application from the platform itself. This streamlined process allows you to benefit from the efficiencies of AI without needing in-depth technical knowledge. And that's it. You now have all the basics to get started with Manus AI. It's designed to empower you with advanced AI capabilities wrapped in an easy-to-use interface. Thank you for watching, and happy creating with Manus AI.